Well, temperatures will climb up over the next few days and then crash back down into the upcoming weekend. So if you need to get anything done, the next few days would be easier to be outside when the weather is dry here. We even get a little bit milder, especially on Thursday near 50 degrees. And look how we plummet back into that Arctic air this weekend. Saturday is very cold and with a wind that makes it feel like it's near 0 degrees at times. Then we stay cold into early next week. And so that could set us up to get some snow. And if we do get snow, it could stick around a while just because it's going to be so cold even following the snow event. So we actually have one storm system to track that's mainly going to affect western Maryland by tomorrow evening. So Wednesday night, some light but very wet snow in western Maryland. But the next storm system will just be taking shape off the coast of California. That should be coming onshore from Wednesday into Thursday. And then once it comes onshore, we actually get even more data from it, especially from all the airports that send up the weather balloons and all the airplane observations. So that helps us get even more data and make the forecast that more accurate. Once that is onshore, it's going to develop into a large winter storm with large areas of snow and ice across parts of the south and into the southeast. And then it could track in just the right track to give a heavy snow to Maryland as well. In fact, it'll go from this on land to maybe a coastal component, which can enhance the overall snowfall. So we'll be watching that into the upcoming weekend. Again, the cold air will be in place, and then this will be approaching on Saturday night. So the most likely timing seems to be late Saturday night, during the day Sunday, all the way into Monday morning. And again, it really just depends exactly where that low will track. Right now, it's kind of in the sweet spot where it travels offshore just between North Carolina and Virginia. So we would be on just the northwest side of that low, which could put us in the heavy swath of snow. And then this low will be tracking offshore, but hug the coast just a little bit to enhance the snowfall as well. Now, if the track of this changes, it could greatly change our snow potential. If this goes farther north, we could get into some of this pink, which would be more mixing, and that would cut down on our total snow. If this goes further south, maybe the cold air is even stronger, we would also be in the lighter snow. But as it stands right now, the most likely track is for us to get a lot of snow here in Maryland. So this is at least the probability at this point. It's a little too early to talk about specific amounts, but our latest, most reliable European model, you look at the average of all that data, and it says we are 90% chance of getting 3 inches or more snow, and then an 80% chance of getting at least 6 inches of snow. So that's a pretty high threshold of getting significant snowfall. Temperatures right now are only in the single digits and teens. We are dropping down into the teens overnight with clear skies. At least the winds are lighter tonight. That helps because you don't have to factor in as much of a wind chill, but it is really cold outside. And even tomorrow is still pretty chilly. We'll have sunshine in the morning, then increasing clouds near 40 in the afternoon. There is still a breeze out there tomorrow, 10 to 15 miles per hour. So just keep in mind, even though the temperatures don't look as cold, it's still going to feel chilly for the next couple of days. Thursday is the milder day at 50 with increasing clouds. Friday looks more cloudy, and then the weekend, that's when it's frigid. Saturday looks dry, but late at night, snow could develop. It could be heavy throughout the day Sunday and last into Monday, and then that cold air will stick around through early next week.